Our next subject which we will make videos on is the learning tools for students. Students means a fresher. Suppose if you are an engineering graduate, you just passed out from an engineering college, what courses which you should follow to take you forward in your life. Forward in your life means which will give you good packages. Let me give you an example. Excel is the most usable tool by the student, by the professional, and Excel has got potential to give you whatever you want to do with the data. Excel has got tools for by putting data you can take out what is the billing schedule. Suppose you have supplied a material to a client, how much time a particular client is taking to give back your payment. Suppose you have supplied 10 items to a customer who is giving payment at a periodic interval of 7 days. Another person is giving you a payment time of 15 days. So how to eliminate this delaying process? Excel will give you the tools. One basic skill, Excel is it is available to every student, but they don't know what Excel has got strength. We have got courses made out for Excel. How you can use Excel to get statistical data. You can use Excel by giving you the reports. How much time a customer takes to give you a payment on a particular subject, and it can give you also the figure, the area wise figure. You can get North India, South India, or any part which you are distributing the product, which areas are lagging behind, which areas are doing well. So you can put data into Excel and Excel will give you a result. So Excel is basically a very important tool for a fresher, for a student, because it is used by across the board by all the organizations. And it is made by the Microsoft. MS Office is one of the most usable software, and Excel is one of the most. So we have got courses on that. Then we have courses for how to face interviews. Courses for, suppose you are a civil engineer, what are the most relevant course in terms of giving you best salary in the market? The most relevant course which is doing around these days is quality. If you learn something on the quality aspect, a quality engineer salary is normally 3 times higher than a normal site engineer. Who works at the site, execute the work as per the plan. But if you do courses on quality, you will be getting a salary of 3 times the salary of a site engineer. So kindly contact us if you require any skill development or your professional courses which you should follow, which can take forward your professional career to a new height. Please contact us at www.zessconsultancy.com by filling your specific form. If you are a mechanical engineering student, there are quality management system in an industry which you can learn from ourselves. The courses are very economical. It starts with only 5,000 rupees plus GST. So please contact us, and thank you very much.